Debenture. Debentures are one of the principal sources of raising borrowed capital to meet long and medium-term financial needs. The term debenture has come from the Latin word debere, which means to owe. Section 230 of Companies Act 2013 only states that the word debenture includes debentures, stock, bond, and any other instrument of a company evidencing a debt, whether constituting a charge on the asset of the company or not. In corporate finance, a debenture is a medium to long-term debt instrument used by large companies to borrow money at a fixed rate of interest. The legal term debenture originally referred to a document that either creates a debt or acknowledges it. But in some countries, the term is now used interchangeably with bond, loan stock, or note. A debenture is thus like a certificate for loan or loan bond evidencing the fact that the company is liable to pay a specified amount with interest. Definition. Lammer defines a debenture as an instrument under seal evidencing debt, the essence of it being admission of indebtedness. Topham defines a debenture is a document given by a company as evidence of debt to the holder, usually arising out of loan and most commonly secured by a charge. According to the above definitions, debenture is an evidence of indebtedness. It is an instrument issued in the form of debenture certificate under the common seal of the company. Features of debenture. Keyword for this answer: sought in fact. Point 1. Security. Debentures are generally secured by fixed or floating charge on asset of the company. If a company is not in a position to make payment of interest or repayment of capital, the debenture holder can sell off charged property of the company and recover their money. Security. Debentures are secured by charge on asset of the company. The charge may be fixed charge or floating charge. If company is not able to pay interest to debenture holder, they can sell the property of company and recover their money. Point 2. Status of debenture holder. Debenture holder is a creditor of the company. Since debenture is a loan taken by company, interest is payable on it at fixed rate at fixed interval until the debenture is redeemed. Status of debenture holder. The holder of debenture is a creditor of the company. Interest on debenture can be paid at fixed rate and at the end of specific period or by installment during the lifetime of the company.
Point 3. Authority to issue debentures. According to the Companies Act 2013, Section 179(3), the Board of Directors has the power to issue debentures. Company can issue debentures at par, premium, or discount to face value.
Authority to issue debentures. Debenture certificate is signed by two directors and did not bear the company's seal.
Point 4. Listing. Debentures must be listed with at least one recognized stock exchange. Companies prefer to list their debenture on Bombay Stock Exchange, that is BSE, on wholesale debt market segment.
Listing. A company which has any of its securities listed on any recognized stock exchange. The company, even if having its debenture listed on any recognized stock exchange, is now deemed to be considered as the listed company. Point 7. Interest. A fixed rate of interest is agreed upon and is paid periodically in case of debentures. Payment of interest is a fixed liability of the company. It must be paid by company irrespective of the fact whether the company makes profit or not. Interest. Interest on debentures is a charge against the profit of the company. We calculate interest on debenture at a fixed rate of interest on the nominal value. If the amount of interest accrued and due is not paid, it is known as interest accrued and due or interest outstanding.
Point 8. Issuers. Debentures can be used by both private company and public limited company. Companies also use debenture as long-term loans. Debentures are advantageous for companies since they carry lower interest rate.
Issuers. Debentures are backed only by the creditworthiness and reputation of issuers. Both public and private limited companies frequently issue debentures to raise capital or funds. Point 5. Time of repayment. Debentures are issued with the due date stated in the debenture certificate. The principal amount of debenture is repaid on maturity date. Time of repayment. Debentures are issued to the public as a contract of repayment of money borrowed from them. These debentures are for a fixed period and a fixed interest rate that can be payable yearly or half yearly.
Point 6. Transferability. Debentures can be easily transferred through the instrument of transfer. The ratio of conversion and the time period after which conversion can take place is prescribed at the time of issue.
Transferability. For transferring debentures, a standard format can be used as instrument of transfer. A person who gives his signature, name and address as approval for transfer must see the transferor and transferee sign the debenture transfer deed in person. Point 9. No voting right. According to Section 71(2) of the Companies Act 2013, no company shall issue any debentures carrying any voting right. Debenture holders have no right to vote at general meeting of the company. No voting rights. According to Companies Act, in the company's general meeting, debenture holders have no voting rights as they may have separate meeting or vote.
Point 10. Face value. The face value is the original cost of the stock as listed on the certificate. The face value of debenture normally carries high denomination. It is 100 or in multiples of 100.
Face value. Face value is a financial term used to describe the nominal or dollar value of a security as stated by its issuer. The face value of debenture is rupees 100 or in multiples of 100. Point 11. Assurance of repayment. Debenture constitutes a long-term debt. They carry an assurance of repayment on due date. Assurance of repayment. There is a general belief that debentures are safer than investment in equity and there are assured and regular returns.
Point 12. Priority to repayment. Debenture holders have a priority in repayment of debenture capital over the other claimants of the company. Debentures are to be redeemed and to be repaid on maturity date. This date is stated on the debenture certificate.
Priority to repayment. The holder of debenture have a priority in repayment of debenture capital. In the event of corporation's bankruptcy, the debenture is paid before common stock shareholders. Point 13. Parties to debenture. Point A. Company. This is the entity which borrows money. Point B. Trustees. A company has to appoint debenture trustees if it is offering debentures to more than 500 people. This is a party through whom the company deals with debenture holders. The company makes an agreement with trustee. It is known as trust deed. It contains the obligation of company, rights of debenture holders, powers of trustees, etc. Point C. Debenture holder. These are the parties who provide loan and receive debenture certificate as an evidence. Parties to debenture. There are three parties to debentures. Company, the entity which borrows money. Trustee, this is the party through whom the company deals with debenture holders. The agreement made with the trustee is known as trust deed. And the debenture holder. These are the parties who provide loan to the company.